Okay, somebody's doing fireworks. Let me see. Did I miss them? And the cats got scared. Johnny moved off his little space. He ran. The eagle got off the bed. Everybody's scared. We got some mice on the TV. Where Eagle go? Wait, Johnny, you walk. How'd you get over? I don't understand. Johnny got off the bed right there, and then he was right like over here. Like, how the freak did that happen? Like, did he jump over me or something? Like, what? Cause Johnny actually seen the fireworks. Like he was like, "What?" And he seen the light. He's like, "What is that?" I'm sorry, I'm sipping in the background. I'm sure somebody wants to say, "Stop chewing ice. That's disrespectful." While I watch the video, what people need to do, really, to be honest, is stop telling people what to do in their videos. It's their content. So if you don't like their content, leave and go and find someone else to watch. But I don't think you should be on someone's page telling them how to live and what to do. Like, for real, for real. Eagle, where are you? No more fireworks? That's it? That's it? Uh-oh. It's some more. They started it. Let me see. No, that's it. Y'all heard it. Oh, there we go. I'm tired. I refuse to go up. Why does it feel... Oh, that's like a light or something. It's not no holiday. All these holidays left already. They still doing fireworks. Jesus. Nothing. They quit. All right. Peace out, guys.